Ooh, what a beautiful sight. But we're taking this. We're actually taking the brand new whip. Oh my God, just listen to the way this thing idles. Try to move it, the throttle likes to get hung. And I got an infestation going on, bro. What in the world? Bro, the ants did not want to stick around for that ride. But the whole purpose in today is the car is raggedy and filled with junk. So I need to get all this out so I can get the seats out and try to vacuum and detail this carpet heavily. All right, got me a box set up for anything cool I find, a cup of water, some gloves. About to put my earbuds in and just go to straight work cleaning this thing out. Hopefully that'll be chill. I mean, I already see a tire pump, like a plug-in one, so that'd be cool if that shit works. But now I'm gonna get to work. I kinda, honest to God, feel like I'm gonna die. It took forever to get that seat out, but I mean, it's the only way to really clean this. There's literally mold growing in the car. All right, so seats are out. All the stuff I've recovered, tools, all types of stuff. A set of wheels, a spare wheel hubcaps. This is all the trash that was in it right there. And then here comes the craziest part. There's like 7 inches of just standing water in the back, and I can't find the plug. And honestly, I'm tired of kind of like reaching through that. So I'm gonna drill a hole towards the back and let this kind of slowly do its thing. And the system and everything's still hooked up. There's an amp, all this stuff back here that was still hooked up. This is crazy. It's by far the worst car I've ever bought. So that's probably gonna take a minute. It's not perfect, but it is so much better. That carpet's just like gone. Everything's cleaned up though. That's the other side. Still a lot of work to do. So it went from that to this, which is livable.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Breezes seem to whisper.
That took literally hours, but it's clean now. I even bombed it with some of the like car spray smell stuff, so maybe it'll smell a lot better. I mean, there was mold and dirt and grass, ants. That was really bad, but it's about the best I can do. I wish I had a steamer because the carpets would come out a lot better if I had a steamer. But it's drivable now. You don't get that sticky feeling touching everything. So it's clean enough. That's probably the worst car, clean-wise, I have ever bought in my life. That was really bad. And the trunk didn't come out perfect. There's rust and stuff now, obviously. Nothing crazy, no rust holes, but I have to kind of, you know, I'm gonna have to fix that hole where I drilled it out to let it drain. I'm gonna put a lot of this stuff back in the trunk for now, because I don't think the trunk leaks. I think it was just a backup of these leaves and dirt. So I'm gonna try to get them out too. So I think that's all it really was. I don't know why the trunk would be filled with water. I mean, it's sealed off, so definitely something was not working. I think that maybe it was like piling up here and just dripping in over the years. So now the outside needs to get done. I'm gonna try to paint this car. This would be the first car I paint, so I'm gonna try to get it cleaned up. Get in, it started right up. AC works in this car. I remember it working. It may need a charge at this point, but oh no, the AC's definitely on because it's belt squeaking. That's so funny. Over all the years. That's it for now. She's all tidied up, cleaned up. So, look how nasty the outside is, and then you look in, and it's like cleaned up. That's funny. But this video will definitely end here. Other wheels that came with it. We'll see what happens. I might sell as is, I don't know. But runs, drives, AC works, cleaned interior now. If I could like pressure wash the outside, it would look a lot better. Put the other wheels back on. Should be a flip. We'll see. Like, share, comment, watch the rest of the videos I got. I will see y'all in hopefully the next Z video. Alright, so this is the Civic that I bought. Hopefully it just works with this jump. Oh my god. Started right up, bro. Always. Welcome to the Civic build. This thing is a hoopty. Trying to get it home, and it is just trying to get it home is a process. Like, I'm barely even doing 10 under, and it is shaking and vibrating. So I'm gonna leave it at a different spot for now.